Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Much like nearly every single morning since August, I have a client at 8:30 and I slept in because not only did my alarm not go off, but my phone actually ran out of battery overnight. I was very fortunate that the Zoom meeting on my iPad woke me up because if I had not heard that little notification, I probably would have slept in till 11 a.m. therefore missing all of my morning classes. So I had a class from 8:30 until 9:30, then I went downstairs to do my class at 9:30 until 11 just because I wanted a bit more space, and I was working with an older student, so we did a lot more things across the floor and I wanted to be able to show the full out routine because we were actually learning Lilac Fairy together, and quite frankly I needed to do the variation justice. I couldn't keep it in the small bedroom. I could move down to the dance room now that the renovations are pretty well done, but in the dance room the Wi-Fi isn't the best, nor is it the warmest room in the house, so it's kind of nice to do it in the living room once in a while. Steve really doesn't mind, I don't think, even though it's kind of loud. It's actually further away from him because his office is upstairs, so he probably doesn't mind this less. He probably appreciates it more when I'm down here just because it's actually technically further away from his office. And he doesn't have to hear me scream at the kids. I know he doesn't mind though. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Today is Monday, October 24th. I just finished teaching 3 hours worth of classes, I think 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. So 2.5 hours worth of classes. About to go have a snack, an early lunch, because I didn't really have time for breakfast because my phone ran out of battery last night. So I woke up at 8, you're pushing me over, 15. So I had 15 minutes to get ready for class. So I just took a dose juice. I know that's not great, but I literally had 15 minutes to class and I had to get ready, change, shower. So it wasn't happening today. So I'm gonna have an early lunch and then I'm gonna go for a WALK with this one. Probably go to the post office, see if there's anything for me there. And then I'm teaching in person later today. I'm gonna leave this house around 2 o'clock so I can get to the city around 3, and I'm teaching at 4. So that should work out, and then I'm back home tonight. Today's kind of a busy day and I don't know why I'm vlogging, to be honest. I think I just wanted to hang out with you guys and I don't have a video to post for tomorrow. So that's probably why. Also, look at this thing. Oh my God, what are you doing? Hi. She just likes to lay here and bask in the sun, and she doesn't move. She just kind of chills like this. I am very comfy today. I'm subbing at a studio in the city tonight, so I'm gonna leave the house around 2 or 2:30, but I'm gonna take Elsa on a walk and mail some mail I have to mail out and get some stuff done. I also have to change over the laundry. Okay, do you wanna go on a walk? A walk? I think we're more than ready because it's freezing in here, but I'm sure it's lovely out there. I'm wearing this big sweater from Roxy, which is also from my mom, that's also my mom's name. This big, huge this vest, my sunnies, my Telfar bags that holds the dog doo-doo bags, and I've got my doggy and my sneaks. Let's go, doggy. I had a bit of time before I had to go to the studio. I didn't teach until around 4:30, so I did a little bit of ballet before I left the house. It was also very warm today. It was about 20 degrees, and I of course had to listen to Midnights by Taylor Swift. Comment down below if you guys have A, listened to the album, B, what your favorite song is, and C, if you think Question is about who we all think it's about. I'm not trying to start a gossip because frankly, it doesn't matter like who Taylor Swift dated. It doesn't matter who she loves, she can love whoever she wants to love, but I'm just naturally curious because all of her songs, for the most part, are love songs, so it just leaves me to wonder, like, who could this be? Who is it about? But yeah, comment down below your theories because I'm just as obsessed with the Midnights album as with any Taylor Swift album. Actually, I'm obsessed with the Midnights album way more. I don't know though, it's probably top tier with Folklore because because I really liked folklore. I just loved the storytelling aspect of it. It seemed a little bit, I don't want to say less personal. This one seems a lot more like a girl who stayed up past midnight, you know, thinking about things, thinking about relationships, thinking about her life and girlhood and teenagehood, all this kind of stuff. And folklore to me just seemed like more of a storytelling album, more mystical and magical. So comment down below if my analysis resonates with you and if you agree with it or not. I'm open to start the conversation in the comments. Gosh, I never would have thought I would have been having a full-on Taylor Swift forum on my page. Especially because I used to really not be a fan of her when I was a kid, but that was just because of all the stuff we saw in the media. And after seeing Miss Americana, I was like, dang, we all fell victim to, or not victim, we all fell prey to the fact that the media was trying to feed us negative information to paint a negative connotation about her. And she was just a young girl. She was literally like 16 years old when the media was attacking her. Anyways, you can tell that I love Taylor Swift, and especially as of late, I really love her new albums. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here before I get too ranty, and let's go back to dancing and my day. But please comment down below what your favorite midnight song is. So I'm heading out to teach. I have to go to another city, and I'm just wearing these really comfy joggers and this sweater and this top from Halara, and I'm gonna put on some earrings and head out. It's also Halloween week, so I'm gonna wear a pair of cat ears. For the hats or the ears that I'm going with a pair of devil horns because I'm an evil dance teacher. I also didn't put on earrings because I forgot, but I'm gonna run late, so bye. Okay guys, so it's almost 10 p.m. and I just want to take you guys to get ready or unready with me. Ready for bed, unready from the day. I just got back from teaching a little while ago. I was teaching at a studio. I was subbing for a teacher. I usually don't teach out of the house on Mondays. One of the teachers that I used to work with was ill, so I covered for her in the next city over. And then I taught online as soon as I got home until 8:30. And I just hung out with Steve and chit-chatted with him. But now I am getting ready for bed. And guys, remember in the previous clip how I mentioned that I was bringing the devil horn to dance class because I was trying to be all festive for Halloween? Yeah, that was a poor decision because the kids that I was subbing for, I didn't know their age at first. I was like, you know what? They're gonna love the effort and the enthusiasm for Halloween. Maybe if they weren't 3 years old and actually afraid of things like that. So yeah, I was covering for that teacher, and I kid you not, guys, I was wearing those devil horns that come on in. Not only do they see a brand new face, they see a devil teacher. Guys, I cannot believe I thought it was a good idea to wear devil horns. When I say that their faces were terrified and nervous, I'm not exaggerating, so that's a complete fail on my part. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed because today I also can't find my headband or my little clip thing for my bangs, so wish me luck, I guess. I must have a clip somewhere here because I also want to hear from you guys because I'm struggling to determine where this channel is going because I have a lot of people requesting me to do tutorials, but that's not really, like, I love doing tutorials and editing videos and stuff like that. I feel like the vlogs just hit different, and I feel like I look kind of wild. 2000s Jasmine. I feel like the vlogs just give you more insight to my personal life. They feel very personal when I put them out. So when they do well, I get very excited. And I feel like you guys like watching the vlogs too, especially if you came here from my Instagram page, Jassome, Jassome, by the way. You probably would like to see more insight to my life as a dance teacher and professional ballerina or former professional ballerina. Comment down below suggestions as to what I should do. Last time I talked about having Wednesdays maybe and Sundays, or like Monday and Wednesdays as dance days, either on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, doing like a live stream, something like that, just to keep the community atmosphere. I'm getting just so distracted by these fluffs I need to dust. community atmosphere, and I feel like doing classes would also bring a personal level from my passions, but also be meaningful to you guys, because as much as I love vlogging and editing, it doesn't give you guys something really aside from comfort maybe, but you don't learn anything from it. So I do still love creating educational content. However, it just doesn't feel like my page and my channel flows right now. So that's why I've been prioritizing vlogs, because I'm just trying to keep to like one subject so that when you guys come back, you understand what I'm gonna post. Because sometimes it's a wild card, it's like a 5-minute ab workout, it's a bar routine, it's a technique tip, and it's a vlog. So I'm just trying to keep it a little bit more consistent. And I'm wondering maybe if I just do vlogs on this channel, down the road I have a separate channel to do technique tips and stuff like that. Or I keep doing vlogs on this channel, and within the vlogs, I do technique tips and classes and stuff like that. I feel like that's probably the route I'm gonna go, because making a second channel is a lot of work, to be honest. So I'm gonna use this Pharmacy Green Clean Melting Cleansing Balm, which it smells so nice. It smells like papaya, I love it. And this makes my bed routine so easy because it just melts my makeup away, just like they advertise. I also love using this Pure Skin face cleanser from First Aid Beauty, and I think it has no parabens. I know it's cruelty free. And then the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty is the bomb.com. If you have dry skin like me, it is my savior. It is my elixir. It is the best thing ever. This is really bringing back 2000s trends for me, this hairstyle right now. Especially now that the puff is starting to inflate. If you were hanging out with me today during this vlog, thank you very much. I have lots of fun with you guys. I am gonna go get ready for bed. I mean, I'm already ready, but I'm gonna go crawl in bed and sleep. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Actually, I'm lying. I need to go add this part to my video. It's already edited, and I just need to add this part at the end, and then I'll upload it and I'll go to bed. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for all of your support and your encouragement. Stay safe, happy dancing, and